What is location quotient, and where do we have it in spades, and where don't we?
It's not a word I typically use with my kids on weekends. But, so location quotient is the density of whether it's employees or institutions in a certain area relative to another area. Typically, in the example I gave the other day, it's relative to the United States as a whole. So specifically, the location quotient for aerospace and defense in Connecticut is approximately 5. Now, what that means is you have 5 times the density of aerospace and defense workers.
So if you're a
here in
1,
Connecticut.
if you're 1, you're average.
Correct.
If you're 5, you're 5x the average.
That's right.
So, which seems pretty high to me.
I was gonna say, and from when I hear that is very high. It's the highest, I believe, in any tradable industry in the state. So we have 5 times the density of aerospace and defense here in the state of Connecticut relative to the country. That is a comparative advantage. When you think about a Silicon Valley and what makes certain ecosystems work, that is one that we have here. And I think I mentioned the other day too, but if not, the next highest location quotient I think is insurance services, which is right around a 3. So everyone thinks of Hartford, well, this is the insurance capital, or Connecticut's the insurance capital. More people need to be thinking about Connecticut as the Aerospace Alley, if you will, for the world, and the aerospace capital, because that is a clear advantage we have in manufacturing and something we need to continue to build on.